Psalms chapter 78 verse number 21 to 40. When the Lord heard them, he was very angry. His fire broke out against Jacob, and his brand rose against Israel. For they did not believe in God or trust in his deliverance. Yet he gave a command to the skies above and opened the doors of the heavens. He rained down manna for the people to eat. He gave them the grains of heaven. Men ate the bread of the angels. He set them all the food they could eat. He let loose the east wind from the heaven and let forth the south wind from his power. He rained meat down on them like dust, flying birds like sand on their seashore. He made them come down inside their camp, all around their tents. They ate till they had more than enough, for he had given them what they craved. But before they turned from their food they craved, even while it was still in their mouth, God's anger rose against them. He put to death the studious among them, cutting down the young men of Israel. In spite of all this, they kept on sinning. In spite of all his wonders, they did not believe him. So he ended their days in futility and their years in terror. Whenever God slay them, they would seek him. They eagerly turned to him again. They remembered that God was their rock, that God Most High was their Redeemer. But then they would flatter him with their mouths, lying to him with their tongues. Their hearts were not loyal to him, they were not faithful to his covenant. Yet he was merciful, he forgave their iniquities and did not destroy them. Time after time he restrained anger and did not stir up his full wrath. He remembered that they were but flesh, a passing breeze that does not return. How often they rebelled against him in the desert and grieved him in the wasteland. Amen.